Okay, now tell it to me. You have to say the words.
She's at the hospital, and I love her, but she's not doing good at the hospital. This one's a new one.
Okay.
And I love baby. And it's the end right now.
Okay.
And then there's another one.
Okay, go ahead, sing it.
Here's what I will do with Bibi when she's done at the hospital. I'll hug her, and that's how I love her. This one's a short one.
Okay, do it again.
And this is how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna hug her, kiss her on the cheek. I'm gonna love her every 1 week. And I love her, and she's my grandma, and I love you, Mommy.
Is that the end?
Yeah.
Okay.
And there's another.